Welcome back to the channel. Your desk is the foundation of your productivity, and choosing the right one can boost comfort, efficiency, and overall workflow. Hi, this is TechNest Pro, and today we're featuring the best adjustable and standing desks of 2025, designed for modern workspaces, gamers, and creative professionals. And if you want to check out any of these desks, all the product links are in the description below. The Uplift Desk V2 is the ultimate premium standing desk, featuring a durable black eco-curve desktop, dual motor adjustability, and an advanced memory keypad for one-touch height adjustments. It includes under-desk cable management, built-in wire grommets, and even a rocker board for better posture and movement while working. With sturdy reinforced legs, this desk ensures maximum stability, making it perfect for home offices, creative professionals, and multi-monitor setups. Want the best standing desk for a productive workspace? Check the link in the description. If you're looking for a sleek and compact desk that maximizes space, the Branch Duo standing desk is a fantastic option. It features a frameless design, a 20-inch adjustable range, and an OLED control panel for smooth height transitions. With its modern white base and walnut top, this desk blends minimalist aesthetics with ergonomic function, making it ideal for tight home office setups, students, or shared workspaces. Need a compact and stylish standing desk? Check the link below. The FlexiSpot E8 is an electric standing desk designed for durability and flexibility, featuring a 55 by 28-inch bamboo surface and dual motor height adjustability for smooth transitions. Its 3-stage adjustable frame provides greater height range, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing with just a touch of a button. The whole piece board design ensures stability and longevity, while the oval leg structure gives it a sleek, modern look. Looking for a durable bamboo standing desk with powerful adjustability? Check the link in the description. If you need more workspace and high-end build quality, the Sano Desk 55-inch 3-stage bamboo desk offers a spacious, premium bamboo desktop with smooth electric height adjustments. This dual-motor desk allows fast and quiet height changes, making it a great fit for multitasking professionals, artists, and gamers. The whole-piece bamboo top ensures durability, while the reinforced legs provide maximum stability, even at full height. Want a spacious, well-built standing desk? Check the link below. For those who want an affordable, motorized standing desk, the Smug standing desk delivers great value with its adjustable height system and compact 40 by 24-inch surface. Perfect for home offices, gaming setups, and students. It offers smooth electric height adjustment, ergonomic benefits, and a sturdy frame for all-day productivity. Whether you're working, gaming, or just need a healthier workstation, this desk gives you the flexibility to sit or stand comfortably. Need an affordable standing desk with electric adjustability? Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you love tech reviews and workspace upgrades, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Check the description for links, and we'll see you in the next video.